Data structures introduction. Let us see first what data is. Data is collection of raw facts. Then what is data structure? When you give a structure to this data, it becomes data structure. That is, you represent the data with a logical relationship that exists between the data items. Now, whenever I say data structure, it is an organized format which is used for storing data in memory. When it is stored, it stores with the relationship that exists among data also. It deals with both structural and functional aspects of a program. Now, I introduce a word program. What is a program? Program is algorithm with data structures. Now, what is algorithm? Algorithm is step-by-step procedure to solve a particular function. So, algorithm gives you a general view how to solve a particular function. Data structure explains you how you does it to solve that particular. Now it is classification of data structures. When I come for classification, the data structure is broadly divided into two categories. The first one is the primitive data type and the second one is the non-primitive data type. Now when I say primitive, it is the basic data types that you come across: integer, character, float, pointer. When it is non-primitive data structures, it is arrays and lists. That is, non-primitive is derived from primitive data structures. Arrays, you will have single dimension, two dimension and multi-dimension. When you come for lists, you come across linear and non-linear lists. So this is the basic classification that you come across in data structure. Now let us see the difference between primitive data type and non-primitive data type. When it is primitive data type, it is the basic data structure that you come across. You should remember the chart which we saw before, that is integer, float, character, etc. When I come across sophisticated data structure, it is non-primitive data type. So it is built from this primitive data type. Now this primitive data type operates directly on machine instructions. When you come across non-primitive data types, they are derived from primitive data structures and in turn only they are operated on machine instructions. Now what are the primitive data types that you come across? Integer, float, character, pointer, etc. But when you come for non-primitive data type, it is arrays and lists. When you come across arrays, it is single dimension, two dimension and multi-dimensional arrays. When you come for lists, you come across two categories. The first one is linear and the second one is non-linear. When you come across linear, you will have stack, queues, linked lists. When it is non-linear, it is trees and graphs that you come across. Now, the last one is the basic operations that is performed on primitive data type and non-primitive data type. When as primitive, create, select, update and delete are the primitive operations that you come across. In non-primitive data type, you go for operations such as traverse, insert, select, sort, search, merge, delete, etc. Okay.